some candidates, believe or not, they don't include the basic information in the CV. And this is a very common mistake that many applicants they make. Even the basic information they don't include in their CV. And some of this basic information, it could be a no-brainer, but believe or not, it's a very common mistake. And if those information it's not in the CV, the recruitment panel or employer, they're probably not going to spend a lot of time reading. So personal data, you got to make sure that you've got your personal data there. The goals that you are after for that position. And you got to remember, curriculum vitae is not one curriculum vitae for every single position that you apply. Each curriculum vitae needs to be tailored to that particular position that you're applying. So when you're detailing the goals of that curriculum, it is related to the position that you are applying for. Skills, same skills. Sometimes a person has a lot of skills, but for that particular position, you probably need to tailor that and put your skills according to that position as well. Academic training or schooling, sometimes there's no information about academic training or schooling. Languages that you speak, professional experiences, main results obtained. It's not good just for you to have the places that you worked and what did you do there, but it's also important the results that you have achieved in that particular job. Personal and professional profile. If you are an engineer focused on infrastructure, and if the job is about infrastructure, you need to make sure that your professional profile focus on the infrastructure projects and infrastructure skills. Courses that you did, interesting to put some extracurricular activities, especially because nowadays companies they are concerned about work-life balance. So sometimes the extracurricular activities that you include, it may make some weight when they are analyzing curriculum, that you're not just a workaholic, that will not have any work-life balance. And professional references, it's not mandatory. You can actually put that professional references will be confirmed later on. But if you have, you can include them there.